friends, today I'm going to discuss about the unit testing approach using Cherio in Postman. Okay, so first I have to take any SOAP call using post. Okay, so I have taken one simple post call here. This is the payload for it, and here the variable a and b. This is already mentioned as a global variable here. So if you see here, I have mentioned a as 4, b as a 73. You will see that it's a 77. You will get the value as 77. So let me see how that response is. Okay, here I can see that value is 77. Now tomorrow the response can be changed, but tester has to check, has to write a script, right? How that value will be. And here you see that it's a XML value, and you know that in the header itself I have already mentioned content type as text or XML. In test, what you need to do first, you have to do like response body convert XML body to a JSON, because in the JavaScript, this is the JavaScript code. JavaScript know the JSON, so first I have need to convert XML to a JSON. So just if you go to the test tab and click anywhere and click it, and it's you will get this, right? So XML to JSON. So what I have done, I have used that first, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the JSON value. So if you click twice, it will get. Okay, so you will see that that JavaScript is generated. Okay, so I'm not going to use that. So on top of that, I have used that what is converted XML to JSON. I have used that this JSON object and the expect value, right? What is the expect value? Is the JavaScript object array, and need to check that whether what you are going to add, this is equal to 77 or not, right? So you have to go to all that tag, that SOAP envelope, SOAP body, add response and add result. Okay, and here I can show it how that response. So let me see that response body first. Okay, from the response body I have to write. So here I can see that SOAP envelope, SOAP body, and add response, add results. So I have written here. Okay, when I send that response, what I will see that body is fine. Now for tester, you have to check that this is getting passed. That is the first test case. That is using XML to JSON. This is the name of it. Okay, XML to JSON. So this is the long like thing to write, right? If you have a long XML, you have to write that. Instead of, if you use Cherio, that you are going to load that response. Okay, instead of XML to JSON, you are using Cherio to load that, and finally using dollar to check the end one, add result, and the text to check that 77. And also you can check the attribute here. Here the add response, you see that body of it is the add response. Add response has that attribute is equal to some value, right? Tester need to check today something temp URI, tomorrow if it is changing to 2, then tester need to report. So this way tester can check it, and here you see that both are pass. Let me fail it first. So if I make it 79, you will see that there is error. It's expecting 77, but it's equal to 79. So it's a testing also passed. I mean, it's a negative test scenario also getting passed. Similarly here also you see you are changing to something, you will see that using XML to JSON Rabi, it's a you are getting assertion error. Okay, so you need to have that proper value and tester can check it, and it's also useful for developer itself. Hope you have enjoyed the Cherio script learning to test the data, and it is also useful for developer end, not only for tester. Thank you very much. I'll cover more in the next section.